Hey kids, welcome to another exciting adventure in your own backyard. Have you ever wondered what goes on in your backyard garden while you're not looking? There's a whole world of tiny creatures working hard to keep your garden healthy and beautiful. Today we're going to dive into the secret lives of garden bugs. These little helpers are always busy even when we don't see them. Let's get started. First up, meet the busy bees. These little guys are always buzzing around collecting nectar from flowers. They seem to be in a hurry, but they have a very important job to do. But did you know they're also helping plants grow? Yeah! Bees are essential for the process of pollination. Bees move pollen from one flower to another, a process called pollination. This helps plants produce fruits and seeds. Without bees, we wouldn't have many of the fruits and veggies we love to eat. Apples, strawberries, cucumbers, and so many more rely on bees. Isn't that amazing? Bees are truly nature's little gardeners. Now let's say hello to the lovely ladybugs. These spotted insects aren't just pretty to look at, they're also super helpful. Ladybugs are like tiny warriors in your garden. Ladybugs love to munch on aphids, which are tiny bugs that can harm plants. Aphids suck the sap from plants, making them weak. Aphids can cause a lot of damage if left unchecked, but ladybugs keep their numbers in control. So whenever you see a ladybug, know that it's on a mission to protect your garden. They are the garden's natural pest control. Go ladybugs, keep up the great work. Next, we have the earthy earthworms. These wiggly creatures might seem a bit yucky, but they are garden superheroes. Earthworms play a crucial role in maintaining healthy soil. Earthworms dig through the soil, making tunnels. These tunnels allow air and water to reach plant roots more easily. This helps air and water get to the roots of plants, making them grow strong and healthy. Plants need good soil to thrive, and earthworms help create that. Healthy roots mean healthy plants, and healthy plants mean a beautiful garden. Plus, their waste, called castings, is a fantastic fertilizer. It's like nature's own plant food. Who knew worms could be so cool? They might be small, but they have a big impact. Let's not forget about the beautiful butterflies. Just like bees, butterflies help with pollination. They are not just pretty to look at, they have an important job too. When they drink nectar from flowers, they pick up pollen on their wings and legs. This pollen gets transferred to other flowers as they flutter around. Then they spread it to other flowers. This helps plants produce seeds and fruits. And of course, butterflies add a splash of color to any garden. So pretty. They make the garden look lively and vibrant. And finally, we can't leave out the mighty mantises. These fascinating insects are like the garden's bodyguards. Praying mantises are like the garden's bodyguards. They're always on the lookout for pests that can harm your plants. They eat all sorts of pests that can damage plants. With their quick reflexes and strong front legs, they catch and eat bugs like flies, mosquitoes, and even crickets. With their quick reflexes and strong front legs, they catch and eat bugs like flies, mosquitoes, and even crickets. They are the ultimate pest controllers. Keep up the great work, mantises. Your garden is safer with them around. So next time you're in your garden, take a closer look. There's so much happening right under your nose. You'll see that bugs aren't just creepy crawlies. They're important helpers, making your garden a beautiful and healthy place. Each bug has a special role to play. Remember, every bug has a job to do. They all work together to keep the garden thriving. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned something new about our tiny garden friends. See you next time, and happy bug spotting. Bye-bye. Keep exploring and discovering the wonders of your garden.